All right, so we're down to the last two problems. For both of these, you're trying to solve each quadratic equation. Remember, solve means we need to get our x by itself. Okay, so how would I do this? Well, first thing I'm going to ask myself, is this a simple or is this a complex problem? Okay, and remember the difference is, well, if there's just an x squared, then it's simple. And I don't see any other x's, so this is going to be simple. Okay, why is it simple? Because really all I need to do here is my inverse operations just to get x by itself, just like we always do. So anytime you're solving an equation, you can do it that way. So I'm thinking, okay, I need to get x by itself. I'm going to look at this side of the equation and say, how can I get rid of the stuff around it? Well, what am I going to get rid of first? Well, I see that there's some subtraction, and specifically this 10 is the thing I want to get rid of, because this 5 is being multiplied to the x. In relation to the x, this 10 is either adding or subtracting. It's a positive 10, so I'm going to subtract 10. So there's my first step. Okay, so then we're going to have negative 5x squared equals negative 10 minus 10 is negative 20. And if you're not sure, you just use your calculator. Negative 10 minus 10, negative 20. Bam. All right, then we're going to pull this down. Okay, then I'm going to get rid of this negative 5 by dividing. So divide both sides by negative 5. And we got x squared equals negative 20 divided by 5 is 4. Okay, the negatives cancel out. Make sure you got a positive 4 there. Finally, the only weird thing here is you got to know that the opposite of a square root is a, sorry, said that backwards. The opposite of a squared is a square root. And it does go both ways. But we have a squared. We need to get rid of it by using a square root. So we're going to square root both sides. That's going to cancel out the squared. The square root of 4, that is 2. But if you didn't know that, you come over, square root of 4 is 2. So we have it. So that squared got rid of, so all we have is the x equals square root of 4, which is 2. So x equals 2.